All right, everyone. So this video is going to show you how to create an image that has hidden links in them so that you can hover right over top of them inside the site and click out to a link. Okay, so what we're going to start off with is we're going to go to drawings.google.com, or if you forget, you can just Google search Google Drawings. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to title this this image that I'm going to create called Hidden Links, just so that it's easier to find inside my Google Drive later. I'm going to insert an image just so that I have one. So I'm going to upload from my computer. And once this loads up, I'm going to select this image here. I'm going to resize it a little bit just so that it fits on the screen nicely. And there we go. And now what I want to do is I want to make, let's say, something that this finger is clicking. So I'm going to insert an image. There's two ways of doing this. I'm going to insert an image. First way I'll do it is inserting a little picture of this right here. And so basically almost like, oh, I want them to click on the screen, right? And when they click on this icon, I want it to go to, say, youtube.com. Okay, or wherever you want them to go. So here I'm going to click on this individual image in the middle. I'm going to go not insert. I'm going to click on this little link icon that says insert link, and then I'm going to type in the address. So www.youtube.com, and then I'll click on that one, and then I go apply. And so that now will actually be a link when I save this file and insert it. Okay, now let's say though that I didn't want to have the image looking like that. So I'm going to keep this in here just so we can show that it will work. But what if I just wanted the picture to stay the exact same, but I just wanted them to click on the circle where it says the play? What I can do now is I can insert a shape, and I'm going to choose the shape as being a circle. And what I'll do is I'm just going to make that circle right there. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to make the link. So once I have the circle selected, I'll insert link, and I'm going to go youtube.com or wherever you want to go to, right? Click apply. But I don't want this circle there anymore, so I'm going to click on it, and right up here where it says fill color, I'm going to change that to transparent, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the border color, transparent. That way now there's still a link there, it's just you can't see it. All right, so this will save inside your Google Drive. You don't have to click File, Save, or anything like that. But now what you want to do is, actually, I'll tell you this first. If you go File, Download as a picture here, you will not actually be able to have those links working when you load in the image onto your site. So what we want to do is go back to our site, and we're going to add this picture right in from our Google Drive. Okay, so we're not going to click on like images here. We're going to click the plus and then go from drive. And now we have to find the file called hidden links. Now you will see it right here. Most of you will probably see this to start. It's in basically a different format, but you can see that file's right here. If you want, you can click on the list view and then change it by last modified instead of the name, and that way you can find that file right there. Double click on it and it's in. And you can see the images, the one that I just created. So I'm going to publish that and open it up in a new tab. And then let's look at what it does. So you can see right here, it's going to provide two separate links, one right there and one right there. So if I go outside that circle, it doesn't work. If I'm inside the circle, it does. Or in this little section that I added inside there. And both of them will go to the exact same thing. Okay, so if I open that, it brings me to YouTube. If I open this one, it again brings me to YouTube. And both of those go out to separate window tabs or separate browser tabs.